In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the F move for the Shadow Sword here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, interact with any of the teleporters around the map and make your way over to the spawn island. Just keep in mind you're already going to have the Shadow Sword unlocked. Without it, you will not be able to start the quest. But essentially, once you're on the starter island, go ahead and make your way over to the Shadow Master NPC over here. Go ahead and talk to him. And now you're going to have the 6 stages of the quest. You have to do them in order. Obviously, the first is going to be dealing 1 billion total damage. And you can spread this across all fights. So farm high health enemies to finish it pretty fast. I'd recommend doing NPCs rather than bosses just because it'll be easier to farm the NPCs since they spawn in a lot quicker. From here, you have to defeat 1,250 NPCs by grinding mobs, then 150 bosses. Obviously, the fastest way to do this is just by constantly farming the easy bosses on Boss Island. Then you have to complete dungeon runs, 10 on easy, 10 on normal, and 10 on hard. And once all stages are done, go back to the Shadow Master NPC on Spawn Island, and you'll get the F move and unlock a 30% damage boost that is permanent. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.